Hi everyone, today I have another Louis Vuitton unboxing from Babala Bags. This is such a beautiful bag, so let's jump into the unboxing. It comes really nicely packaged, and I'm going to open it up. So there's a duster bag. And this is the gorgeous bag that I got. So this is the LV Loop mini bag. It has this gorgeous half moon silhouette to it. And I thought it was very trendy and perfect for every day. I love the shape. I feel like it's very stylish compared to all of the other bags that they have. And so yeah, let's just jump into everything. It does come with two straps. So it has this chain strap that you can put over your shoulder, which I really like, but since I'm a mom and I really need to be hands-free, I've learned it also comes with this leather strap so that it can be crossbody. And it has the gorgeous monogram print with a zipper in the front and a circle LV pull for the front zipper. So Babala Bags has so many different options on their website. I also have a discount code. I'll leave it on the screen right here. And the discount code works for any bag on their website. And of course, I'll link this one down below as well, but definitely be sure to go check them out. The quality is top notch. I will show you guys close-ups of this bag, and I have two bags from them and they're just gorgeous. So I highly recommend checking out their website below. But yeah, I love this for on the go. I think it's the perfect everyday bag and it fits the necessities. So this is the inside. It's pretty spacious for, like I said, your wallet, lipstick, phone, and keys. It definitely will fit. And I personally think this would be great for a concert. I have a concert coming up and I want to bring this bag. And I also like how it looks with both straps. I will probably be using the shoulder crossbody strap, but I think that the gold chain gives it a little extra bling and I love that about it. This is the side view of the bag. I love the moon shape. It's unique and on trend. And then this is the back, very simple. And it has some details here, some stitching here. And this is the bottom. So beautiful. And now I'm going to show you all what it looks like on. So this is what it looks like on your shoulder, which is very popular these days. Like I said, I can't really do this on my shoulder too much because I have a toddler and yeah, that just won't work for me. But if you don't have any kids, I think this is great on your shoulder. Or this is what it looks like as a crossbody. You can do it over your shoulder the long way or crossbody, which is more secure. This could be a travel bag. It is on the more small, like petite side. But if you are traveling, it would hold exactly what you needed. So that's wonderful. And the craftsmanship is really impressive. The hardware says Louis Vuitton on it everywhere. Just like the small details there. And then this is the zipper. I love this bag. Thank you, Babala Bags, for this bag. I cannot wait to use it. It is hip and fun and perfect for the summertime coming up. So this is my review and unboxing of the Loop Louis Vuitton bag. And definitely be sure to go check them out down below and use my discount code if you're interested. And let me know if you have any questions at all, and I'll answer them in the comments. And I will see you all in my next unboxing. Bye, guys.